Seemingly since the beginning of time, people have been looking for the fountain of eternal youth. Is there really such a thing? Can we reverse the hands of time? You really do start to wonder when you see someone like Tom Brady having statistically one of his best seasons ever at the age of 44. Maybe it's possible. If so, what is required to slow the aging process to a crawl and maybe even reverse it? I think I have the answer to the elixir of eternal youth, and I'm going to share it with you at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to the end. Recently, I was doing an interview with Diamond Dallas Page, a special guest in my new fitness manual, 3-month body transformation. Dallas is in better shape in his 60s than he was in his 30s. And we were having a conversation about his anti-aging regimen. And then he just suddenly realized, why am I telling you this? I can just show you.
I'm going to show you.
Sure.
So this morning, I woke up, rolled out of bed, got 8 hours of sleep, which is amazing. First of all, this is a gym. This is my little, and there's all mats we put down here. Bringing back here, it's blocked off, but it's also got a room in there for some of my athletes that come. Because one of the things I'm telling you right now, Julian, in the next 3 years, I will be the go-to guy after an injury to hit yourself back in whatever game you're playing so you can continue to make millions of dollars. If you're really smart, though, you're the guy who's going to come and find me so that you know how you don't get hurt. Now, this right here, that's a hyperbaric chamber.
Oh, wow.
That right there is about $35,000, and it goes to level 12.5 PSI, which means pounds per square inch. So this little gauge right here will, or 12.5, this is zipped up. You can see the safety belts. This right here is pumping oxygen. This is pumping air. Now, what I do in here is I read, I do all my memos, I fucking email, text, I cover it with plastic so it's airtight. So in case there's a spark, I don't blow the fuck up. When you get past 12 PSI, anything from 4, 7, 8, 10 is still going to heal you at a cellular level because you're breathing in 100% oxygen, but it's the pressure on your body that's forcing it into your cells. So you're oxidizing your body at a different level. And when you get to 12 PSI, it goes up into the blood-brain barrier. So now you know that Daniel Bryan, he was off wrestling for about 2.5 years. He was living in a hyperbaric chamber. That's how he got back in the ring.
Okay.
Take the dark spots out. When I get in this, I'm going to turn this on. This is my infrared, and I'll be at 150 degrees. My girl Paige comes down, puts my breakfast in there, which is oatmeal and eggs, and it's already hot as fuck in there. So she puts in about 10 minutes before I roll in.
Nice.
I roll in and eat that, and then this little teeter table to hang upside down. Then I'm going to come into the app. I call this Jake's room. Jake's room in here. He's got a 65-inch TV. He's got fucking king-size bed.
Man.
This is for any athlete who comes in here. I'm going to go right in here at that point into my steam room. I'm going to get toxins out there as well.
Yep.
But also going to help my voice. Again, it's all about holding back the hands of time.
Holding back the hands of time. I think Dallas put it absolutely perfectly there. While we can't reverse the hands, we sure can slow them down. My mind was kind of blowing seeing his morning routine. What do you think? Do you think there's merit in this approach? I'm not a scientist. I really can't vouch for anything that Dallas is doing. I can't really vouch for any of Tom Brady's pliability and supplements, but I do know one thing these two guys have in common. And if there is an elixir of eternal youth, it's probably this. They believe that what they're doing is working. I recently finished this amazing book called The Biology of Belief, and it scientifically proves that you become what you believe. If you have a positive view on aging, you will age better. If you associate aging with decline and decrepitude, you'll be declining and decrepit. While there seems to be a lot of scientific validity to the practices that Dallas is using to keep himself young, I'm not a scientist. I can neither confirm nor deny. I do know one thing though. He believes that it's working for him. He believes totally that he is slowing down the aging process. And I think that that belief is the single biggest factor in why Dallas is not aging like a mere mortal. When you read The Biology of Belief, you will learn how our thoughts truly impact us on a cellular level and change our destiny. If we have a positive view of aging compared to a negative view of aging, we're changing our future. We may actually be redefining defining our fate. Is there an elixir of eternal youth? I'm not sure about that, but I think the closest thing to it is a positive attitude about aging and the belief that even if we can't totally reverse the hands of time, we sure can slow their progress down. And that's all you can ask for. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm like a lot. So go and click that button right now. Leave a comment, subscribe. I appreciate having you here. I love having you here. And I promise you I'll be back with another one real soon. Take it easy, my friend. Bye for now. Whoosh.